Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to connect your smartwatch to your smartphone. So first, on your smartwatch Bluetooth, search the Bluetooth option and on, and search this download app and open it, and in your phone open the camera and search like this. You can see here download my watch app. So install my watch app and open it. Agree the permission and here go to add device, agree, allow, and open your watch. Here you can see BW17 smartwatch. Click on your smartwatch. You can see it is connecting. You must on your smartphone Bluetooth. Go to the app and here you can see my watch is connected. Here you can change wallpapers of your watches and you can find your watch. I will show you. Here you can see, click on, you can see the sound is coming. Stop, and that's your phone also. Here you can see. So this is a simple video of how to connect smartwatch to smartphone. So thanks for watching guys. See you next time. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye.